Good morning guys, welcome back. How's it going? So this is my last day and I'm all packed up, ready to go and about to head out. So yesterday, had a bit of a disaster yesterday. So I took a half day pass and travelled up to Amori Slopes. I just brought my GoPro, my phone, my wallet, no backpack, no nothing. The first thing that happened was I put the wrong battery in the GoPro. The GoPro died. Second thing that happened was I lost my phone. So I was out on the powder. Basically I couldn't see through the goggles, they were all steaming up. So I took them off to ski down. As I was coming down, snow smashed me in the face. I fell over. I fell in the snow as I was getting hit. But anyway, my phone must have come out there. So didn't notice until I got in to dry my goggles. Put my hand in my pocket, phone gone. Panic set in. Spent the rest of the afternoon skiing around looking for it. Obviously had absolutely no chance because there's powders like that. As thick as you can imagine. So yeah, phone gone. Pretty annoying. So that's that story. So I'm gonna go to Osaka today, grab a coffee, get a lift down to the bus station, take the bus to Nagano, Nagano to Tokyo, Tokyo to Osaka on the Shinkansen. So that's my day. Arrived in Nagano station, 2 hours on the bus, $20 later, and we're here. It's been a long day for me. I was supposed to arrive here way earlier this afternoon, but I've had a bit of trouble. A few things popped up back home, so I had to sort all that out before I could actually get on the bus. So it means I am now missing the snow monkeys because it's just gone 5 o'clock. Snow monkeys closed at 4. Back in Nagano. Look at that skyline, silhouettes of the beautiful mountains in the distance. The little pit stop town for all the snowboarders and skiers of Japan. Alright guys, let's go in. Shinkansen awaits. You cannot beat the Japanese Shinkansen. Here in Nagano. We're going to take the train to Nagoya and then Shinkansen from Nagoya to Osaka. That's where we're going. For dinner tonight, sandwiches, nice. Today I had some Airbnb guests coming to stay for New Year. My friend Huda, who I need to give a massive thank you and shout out to, was organising the keys for my guests. She left them out. I don't know what happened, but someone stole the keys. Someone stole the keys that were for the guests. The guests arrived today, couldn't get into the apartment. Luckily I missed the bus, because I wouldn't have got their message. I got their message 20 minutes just after they sent it. I don't know how, it was a stroke of luck. I signed on the Wi-Fi from my laptop. Got the message, panic struck. I had to call my friend Huda, who had to take a $90 taxi from where she was, drop off keys, the only set of keys that we have, and leave them for the guests. The guests in that meantime go into building management, so I'm going to get in trouble for Airbnb. I'm not really supposed to be Airbnb. So Huda eventually got the keys to the guests, which was fine, which was great, and the disaster was averted. However, the only problem is we had more Airbnb guests coming tomorrow. Now there's only one set of keys, which the guests today have. So I've had to call Jack, my flatmate, who had to cancel his Airbnb, which is like something like $600. We have to just cancel because we don't have a spare set of keys. So bloody disaster. I was supposed to leave Hakuba at about 1 p.m. I left Hakuba at 3:30. Just got to Nagano, where I'm getting on the Shinkansen to Tokyo. It's going to be another 4-hour journey. I get into Osaka about 10:30 p.m. My hostel stops checking in people at 10 p.m. So I've just had to message them on Facebook to explain what happened, why I'm going to be late, and can they still take me in. If not, I'll have to book somewhere else in Osaka for tonight. So a bit of a crazy day, bit of a disaster. But I'm just going to get on the Shinkansen, eat my food, relax, and just breathe for once today. This is the joy of travel. And it's just harder to sort everything out because I don't have a mobile. Alright, so there's an update. And again, massive shout out to Huda. Thank you so much for sorting that. You are a legend. Shinkansen waiting seats. Nice. If anyone can translate it, I'd like to know what it says. Seems like there's a little story on every 100 stories. Very nice. All aboard. We're looking for seat 8E. Goodbye, Nagano. Goodbye, Hakuba. Skiing, you've been amazing. Powder snow, you've been amazing. Japan, you are amazing. Exciting times ahead. What have we got? It looks like a rice roll with some chicken and veg. Chopsticks. We've got a warm coffee, green tea, rich green tea. We've also got a nice little salad, chicken salad with sweet corn, seaweed and dressing. Finally, we have a ham sandwich with tomato, lettuce, brown bread. I'm so happy. On the Shinkansen, with all my food, no worries, all the disasters have been sorted out, fixed. Now it's time just to enjoy this meal in silence, in quiet, in peace, on the Shinkansen. A convenience store. It tastes like it's from a restaurant. It's so good, so fresh. Oh, it's amazing. It's so nice. Quick as that. So quick. Alright guys, how's it going? Starting to fade a bit, getting a bit tired. I've been on this train for nearly 2.5 hours now. About 35-40 minutes to Osaka. Can't wait to get to bed. It's been a very, very long day, tiring day. 10 is the last check-in and reception will be open. Hopefully I turn up and everything's fine. If not, plan B, I'll have to get on, book something quickly, or go find a hotel, or just anything. So we're nearly in Osaka and I can't wait for bed tonight. I'm gonna get a good sleep. Day of travel and done. Hey guys, welcome to Osaka. Quick 7-Eleven snack while I find out where I'm going. Egg, chicken, rice. It's good. Just took the train from Osaka to Osaka Station, and now from Osaka Station taking the Hankyu line, and that should bring us to Shinoi stations, which is where I need to be. Pretty easy, but just long. So easy to get around, but just a long, long day. Hankyu really. I can't check into my hostel. It might be a case of going to a hotel. And it's just arrived at Shinoi Station. And let's go find the backpackers. Ah, here we go. This is what we need. Final part of the mission, locate music students backpackers hostel. But when you don't have a map or Google Maps, a bit more tricky. Thank goodness for city street maps. I've been on the go all day. The struggles of travel. Deserted streets of Osaka. Hey guys, how's it going? So finally made it to the hostel and I was able to get checked in as well. So that's great. So I got in at about 11:30. So it looks like I'm the only one here tonight in terms of people staying. It doesn't look like there's anyone staying apart from me, but I'll quickly show you the little beds in the dorms. This is my one up here, right onto the heater. Perfect. My laptop. Is it a pillow? Okay, so that's a strange pillow. I've never seen a pillow like that before. I don't know what that is. Tissues beside the bed. Blankets. So that's my bed for the night. I'm super, super exhausted. Good night, and thank you again for following, watching my videos, enjoying my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like. Good night. Picturesque.